tightens 34 left long, into 6 right, tightens 4 of a crest. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30 for left long, into 6 right, tightens 4 of a crest. Into 6 left of a crest, and 5 right long, 80. Right long of a crest, tightens, into 6 left, opens, keep middle of a long crest, into 6 left, very long, tightens 4 of a crest, 60. Three right long of a crest, 80. Keep left of a crest, jump. 100. 6 right long of a crest, 40. Caution, 3 left of a crest. Into caution, 3 right. Opens 6 long. And keep left of a 50. Into turn 4 right, tightens of a crest. Opens long, 60. 6 right of a crest and dip. And keep middle of a jumps, 100. Keep middle of a crest and sudden for left long. Opens. Keep middle of a crest, 60. 5 right, very long. Opens 6, extra long, tightens. Into 6 left of a crest, 100. Early 5 left of a crest long, 100. Keep middle of a crest, 80. 6 right of a 2 jumps, opens extra long of a crest, tightens. Into caution, 6 left of a jump, 50. Crest and jump, and 6 left of a crest, 50. Turn 5 right of a junction, 60. 5 left long of a crest and jump, 60. 5 right, tightens 3 of a crest. Opens 70. 6 left of a bump, caution, tightens 3 of a crest. 80. Keep right of a crest and jump. Into 6 right of a crest, 100. 6 left of a crest, jump, 150. 6 right of a crest, 50. 5 left of a jump, opens. Into 6 right of a jump, 80. Caution, 4 right, tightens of a crest. Into 6 left long, tightens 4 of a dip, 50. Early 5 right of a crest, jump, 70. Flat right of a crest, jump, 100. Flat left to middle of a jump, 160. Slow, keep middle of a crest, 30, turn 1 left, tightens. Keep middle of a long flat crest, and keep left of a 60. Keep middle of a jump, and 6 left, tightens. 100. 4 right long, 120. 6 left of a crest, jump. 140. 6 left of a crest, and caution slow, 4 right long of a crest, 40, turn unseen, hairpin left. 80. Flat crest. 60. 4 right of a crest long, tightens. 80. 6 left. 40. 4 left of a crest long. 50. 6 right. To keep middle of a crest. 70 of a finish. Keep right of a jump to stop. Well done. How did the car feel in that stage? Do you want to make any setup changes at the next service?